Welcome to Developer Guide. In this video, we will execute the first Node.js script. So let us make a app.js file in which we will just simply print the console.log. So next, go to the editor. We open the Visual Studio Code for this. Here, we will create a simple app.js file. Now open the folder where we will save this program, E drive and Node.js. Select this folder and now create one folder, first Node.js, and inside this we will create a file app.js. So inside this we have to execute the first Node.js script. So this is used for comment. First Node.js script. Simply we will print console.log and we will write the string over here, hello Node.js, and then semicolon. Just save this script and now open the terminal, new terminal over here. So this is the path of Node.js folder. Now we have to go to inside this path, first node cd first Node.js and ls. There is one file should be, I think this is created over here. We have to move this inside this folder. Okay, I moved this, so now this file is showing over here. Just we have to run node app.js and enter. So this is printed hello Node.js.